bird weaver. The birds can sleep comfortably in this bed because it's made of cotton. And this is water so that they can drink. And this is food so that they can eat. And I want to tell you a very important thing. You also should make this thing because this will help the birds and the nature to grow. Thank you.